Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is me, Dennis Lara D'Souza. Welcome to my new art lesson video. So, before we start with the video, I have one question to you guys. Are you special? Is it or not? So, yes, you are special. God has given us beautiful talents, or you can say qualities to us, which actually makes us special. So, think of what you are special in. No? So all our topic for today is I am special. How are we going to do that? We will see further. But yes, you are special and you are always special. Let's begin with the artwork. Going for the first step. First step is very simple. You can keep your sheet horizontal or vertical. Now once you do that, we are going to divide our page, or you can say make wavy lines all around. That could be 4 or 5 depending on the sentence what you are going to create. For me, I will create I love making new friends. So that is my quality, that makes me special. The same way, what makes you special, you need to write that. So let's divide the lines, make a lines, and let's start writing the sentence. That could be in a capital letter, bold letter, that should stand out. Okay, let's begin. Let's go with the second step. Now, as you see, I have drawn the lines, wavy lines, in a different manner. Plus, I have written this statement which I want to. Now, the background looks too empty. So let's go ahead and decorate the background with simple patterns. That could be a shape, that could be circle, that could be triangle, that could be any sort of things. Okay, let's go ahead, do that. As you saw, we have finished with decorating the background. Let's go ahead, start making the outline just only for the line and the letters. No making outlines for the background design. Okay, we are done with the outline. Now let's begin with the coloring part. The coloring should be beautiful, colorful. Use red, blue, green, orange, yellow, well, any sort of colors. Let's begin coloring only the background, not touching the main letters or wavy lines. Perfect. Now we have got a colorful background with the colorful letters. Not exactly. We have got empty letters with a colorful background. Now what we are going to use is the color which we'll never use it mostly. So let's go ahead coloring black to the letters which will actually stand out and the lines. So let's begin. Perfect. Now we have completed our artwork. We can see it's very colorful and the letters are standing out. So I hope you make yourself special. You make yourself feel special, that you have some quality that is not the same with others. Okay. Thank you guys for watching, and do keep coming for the new videos. Thank you.